This is the Ecovacs Deebot X5 Pro OMNI. Try saying that 5 times fast. The latest flagship robotic cleaning system from Australia's leading robot vacuum brand. It's fresh on the shelves, but I've had it installed in my home for the last few weeks, and here are 4 standout features. Number 1. The first thing you'll notice is its D-shaped design, and unlike its circular siblings, its unique shape allows it to tackle corners and edges like a pro. The TruEdge Adaptive Mopping extends to clean right up to furniture and walls, leaving no spot untouched. Number 2. The OMNI Station is a game changer, emptying the dustbin, washing and drying the mop pads all on its own. And with 12,800 PA of suction, it handles everything from fine dust to larger debris effortlessly. Number 3. Even though every single new appliance coming out has built-in AI, the Deebot X5 Pro OMNI's AI navigation is actually pretty smart. It avoids obstacles, intelligently detects stain types, and even remops tough stains when needed. And finally, number 4. YIKO 2.0. The built-in voice assistant has pretty much become part of our family. All you need to say is, "Okay, YIKO.
I'm listening.
Start cleaning."
Okay, start vacuuming and mopping the whole house.
And off it goes. Super intuitive and easy to use. The Deebot X5 Pro OMNI is available now, and you can pick one up at major retailers like JB Hi-Fi and Harvey Norman for $2,499. Okay, YIKO.
At your service.
Go home.
Okay, back to station.